What's going on, Sister Squad fam? If you're new here, I'm Chantelle. I'm Bridget.
I'm Aria.
And today, Aria's gonna be making slime by herself. Yeah. Aria, you are ready for this. You can do it. Yeah?
Aria.
High five. You can do it. High five if you can do it. Yeah. Aria, high five if you can do it. Aria, high five if you can do it. Fist pump if you can do it. Ow. Stop if you can do it. Need a flash if you can do it. Leave a comment below if you think our 2-year-old sister can make slime all by herself. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome, cool videos. And let's get into the video. Oh, wrong way, sweetie poo. Let's get into the video. Aria's gonna choose her glue now. Aria, go and choose your glue. Which one? Hey,
It's the yellow one.
you want the yellow one?
Okay, choosing different.
Okay. One more, okay?
One more. This one.
Okay. You want a yellow slime?
This one.
Okay.
Oh, hubby. This one.
You want the gold glitter?
Yeah.
Get it.
Okay.
Here, pass it.
Anything else, Aria?
Anything else?
How about this one?
You want stick to stir? A stirring stick? Okay.
Stirring stick?
Here, put it on the-
Any other glitters?
Any other
Anything
one?
else?
What else do you want?
Do you want another color or are you done?
This foam beads.
You want foam beads?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That was squishy.
Okay. Are you all done now?
Yes.
All done.
Have one.
Yeah. Open. Good girl. And put it inside. You gotta squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Yay! Good girl. Oh, squeeze some more. That looks like yellow icing.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually kind of does. It looks like an egg because she got 2 egg colors. Yeah, egg? Yummy.
There's a little bit more coming.
There's a little bit more coming. We're like, oh yeah! Okay, all done. All done. Okay, it's all done. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Oh, there's still more. She's getting a lot out.
Remember, girls, you can't tell her what to do, okay? So let her do it how she wants. Good job.
Girl, Dodo. Finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finished.
Put it on the side. Yeah.
Okay, what's next, Aria?
This one.
The big glue. Okay, I'm gonna be Aria's helper and pour this in for her because it's very heavy and she might like put in the whole thing.
Put that there.
Yeah.
Aria, you're gonna tell Chantelle when to stop, okay?
Okay. Look, Lilo.
Okay.
Oh,
It looks like an egg. Stop.
Aria, tell her when to stop.
okay. Stop.
Okay. Yeah. What you want to add next, Aria?
That looks like an egg.
Yeah. It's just
Foam
like a
beads.
weird egg. She wants to add foam beads in next. Okay. You want to add the foam beads? Put
How
them
much are
in.
you gonna put, Aria?
How much you want? Okay. Oh wow.
Don't tell her.
I think she wants it. Good.
That's good, Aria?
That looks so nice.
Don't touch, okay? No more. Okay.
Oh, that feels so nice.
It looks so cool. What do you want to add next, Aria? Ooh, you want the glitter next. I need your glitter. Oh, I'll open it for you.
Okay.
Oh, that looks so pretty, actually. Oh,
That's
wow.
pretty.
Yeah.
You think it's enough? No. She's ironhofen. That's pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Just for a
Aria.
little 2-year-old.
Yeah, super pretty.
I wish I made that.
It's a golden. It's a
The golden egg.
gold. Oh yeah, it's a golden egg with.
Oh yeah. No, the balls are cheese.
Good.
The balls are
All done?
cheese. Yeah.
Oh, good.
What's next?
Stir.
Yeah, stir.
Ooh.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I'm just gonna make a pretty slime.
That's actually pretty. Yeah.
I'm stirring with my
Wow.
wind.
That's so pretty.
I thought it was going to be ugly, but
That's
that's
really.
amazing.
Yeah,
It's gold.
It looks like gold.
Yeah.
I'm done.
All done? Okay.
What's that, Aria?
Sitting.
Oh, I think it needs to be opened.
I'll open it.
Just a little bit. Oh. Oh, good.
Oh.
Oh no.
Okay. Pretty good.
It's an activator for her. My.
That's
actually-
good.
It's actually activated.
It's stretching.
It's actually activated.
Good girl.
I don't know if it's gonna be, the texture is gonna be good.
It's stretchy. It's good. I'm done.
You all done?
Dump it this way, not that way.
Ooh. Okay.
I think you need help. Here's mine. It's actually pretty good. It's stretchy.
Yeah.
You can make slime swirls. You can make bubbles with it. It's bubbles, but it's only sticky.
Is it sticky or is it good? Does it stretch?
Yeah,
Do you like it?
yeah.
You happy with your slime?
Yeah, it stretches a lot.
Yeah,
Wow.
and it's very crunchy because of the foam beads, and I
She
like
did
the texture.
She did a really good job. It's
Yeah,
like a
just-
banana gold color.
She said it's a golden banana.
Golden banana. Oh, smashy, mushy, golden banana. I would give Aria an A for this slime. This
I would
slime's
give
really good.
I would give Aria 1,000 A+.
Wow.
That's really good.
Good.
There you have it. 2-year-old makes slime by herself.
This is the best baby slime.
Yeah, look.
I don't know, guys. I think she might be better than you at making slime.
And wait a minute.
No.
Aria, how's your
I have to
slime?
make the white glue.
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
My slime's great.
Grape.
It's pokey face. It's actually bubbles. It's bubbly.
Is it crunchy? Say it's crunchy.
It's crunchy.
Yeah, super crunchy.
Yeah, I love this slime. Me too.
If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our
Awesome, cool video, yo!
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
My slime's the best. See you next time. Bye.